Assalamu alaikum and good evening, my dear students, with a new review video about lesson 1, cow music. In the last class we discussed about question and answer, which is about cow music. So question number 1, what was the bad news the narrator received from her mom? And as we discussed it, the narrator is the one who tells the story. So the narrator is the storyteller, and in the cow music story the narrator is Celia. So what was the bad news the narrator, here it means Celia, received from her mom? Answer: she has to move from the city to the country for her mother's job. And we discussed that her mom got a new job as a veterinarian, as an animal doctor in the animal hospital, so they had to move. Question number 2, what do you notice about Celia's friend Hannah and Liu? So Celia had friends back in the city, Hannah and Liu. So answer: Celia and her friends are all musical. It means their hobbies are music and they were interested in music. Question number 3, why do you think Celia's mother says that moving to the country is an exciting beginning? So Celia's mom told Celia that it is an interesting beginning. We should go, you shouldn't worry and you shouldn't complain. Though it seemed to be a new experience, but it is an exciting one. Answer: because she wants to make Celia feel better about living her old life. Celia's mother will have a new job, they will have a new home, and Celia will make new friends. So her moms tried to convince Celia that having a change in life is for betterment. So it's always, give a fresher idea and look about and perspective and perception about life. Question number 4, why does Celia feel a glimmer of hope that country life might be okay? So glimmer of hope means a little hope, a hope which Celia could see. And what was that about country life? We discussed earlier that country is used in English language for village life. Answer: her mother never let her go out alone in the city, but she lets her explore alone in the country. Now Celia could see that in the city life she was not given the permission to go out by her own. And while in the country she could see the possibility, and it actually happened that she could explore the country by herself. So that is a freedom, and she was having that glimmer of hope. Question number 5, why is Celia so surprised? Answer: she didn't expect to see a well-dressed country kid in the field, especially one playing a saxophone. So Celia was not expecting having a good dress, a kid or a child in the country life, in a village life, and who also would play a musical instrument. Saxophone is a musical instrument. It means she was having a very primitive sort of idea in her mind, and so, but once she entered that, now she came to know about. Question number 6, how is Jason similar to Celia's friend Hannah and Liu? Answer: Hannah and Liu wrote songs with Celia, and Jason wants to write songs with someone. Now here she found, Celia's found in the farm of Hannah and Liu a new friend who's also interested in music, and that was Jason. Question number 7, how does Celia feel about living in the country at the end of the story? Answer: she says her perception of country life has changed and she is happy, she has more freedom, and she found a friend who is musical. Now her perspective and perception of life about country life has totally gone unchanged. So that was about question and answer. Your homework, you will revise question with answer, and then you will write down in your notebook. Hopefully you will have a clear idea, and inshallah see you with a new review video. Till that time, goodbye.